What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? So in this video I want to cover a few things. At least we are in the last week of the month of August, so I want to share things I will be expecting from the market if I am to trade uh this week, because this week is basically like it's just like going to form the closing pattern of the candlestick of August, right? So first of all, uh we are, as usual, we are in our economic calendar, and I'm going to check if there is any news, high impact news and all that, at least news that will affect maybe my trading and all that for the week. So I'll be selecting from Monday to Friday. So then on Thursday we have a high impact news, a news that is tagged red, right? And then on Friday we have news as well. So I think today being Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think maybe I'm not going to trade today due to volatility and all that. So then 8:30 Thursday and Friday, maybe I will see an opportunity there, and then I'll capitalize on any opportunity that tends to show itself. So we have let me use this for a minute. So this is US100 NASDAQ. So then we have a run from previous month high lows, right? So then we have something like this. And then again there's this liquidity, previous month low and previous month low again. That's that. So these are liquidities. So I'm not actually expecting price to make a big move like this and then start going up. I'm not expecting price to do that, but I'm not in a position to say that price won't do it, right? So it just my out of observation, and then know when to do whatever that needs to be done. And then again, okay, that's actually monetary setup. It's not actually a setup, it's just a bias and all that. So it's simple as that. There's nothing much that needs to be done here. Like let's take a look at this now. This high has been taken out, right? So if next month candle, which is September, if September candle is to open up, or if price is to close below this high, right, and then another candle is to form again, and then maybe price will then want to form something like a swing high, a high at the left and a high at the right? So maybe this week, given that already price has already done this open manipulate and distribution, and then maybe price wants to close. I don't know if you get what I mean. So sorry. So that being said, so I think that price is trying to like retrace down to maybe make that closing stuff and all that. And then if you pay attention, there was a huge expansion, good expansion, but if you notice, it looks like the volume are dying down. Right? Because if you calculate the pips that this price action delivered, it gets lower as the move increases upwards, right? It keeps taking out the previous month high, but the momentum tends to be decreasing, that kind of a thing. So it is maybe a signal that we are going to like have something like, you know, a little bit drop, even though it's going to create a new all-time highs, but at least for you to fight you need your armies, right? I think it's running low on liquidity, like a lot of liquidity are just hanging on this place intraday. When you check your maybe 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, because already this is a monthly time frame, so you have to like check everything here, right? So I think price wants to like, you know, do a little bit of dropping and then before going up, that kind of a thing. But I'm not going to like, you know, say it's going to do this, it's going to do that without any confirmation. I want to like work with confirmation, very important. And then so I'm going to wait and see what price hands over to me, and then will I be able to decide if I'm going to do this, if I'm going to do that, and all that. So on US30 we had a run again, and then if price price took out this low, and then we have this high here which was taken out. Now I don't know if price is going to close below this high. Below this high, let me use so if price closes below this high, right, price may tends to go up next month and maybe drop again, that kind of a thing. So I don't actually want to like, I'm just predicting, right? But I want confirmations and a good logic back in the prediction and all that. But you have this pack of highs, liquidity, side liquidity and all that. Then if price tends to like close above it, and then it's likely it's 90% probability that we are going to reach a new all-time highs at 47,000. So I guess that's it.